So here I have a firearm, and let's say that I'm at a crime scene and I see it. I am going to be very concerned about this weapon just the way it is. First of all, I see a red dot. That is the safety indicator. And that indicates that the safety is off. Red means danger, red means fire. This gun can fire, perhaps, if you pull the trigger now. If the safety was engaged, this is actually the safety right here on this gun. You press it up, it covers the red dot, and then that would indicate the gun is in safe mode. This is one indicator that I really can't trust this gun. Another thing I see is that the hammer is pulled back. Now the hammer is normally up here, this little end here. That's normally up there when the gun is safe. It's back here, meaning that the gun is cocked. The hammer is cocked, it's pulled back, it's ready to drop to fire. And then because I know this weapon, I also see that the trigger is slightly back from where it normally is when the gun is safe. Now, you may or may not know that about the gun you're looking at, but if the trigger is back that far, that's probably a good indication too on any other gun. So those are three things that tell me this gun is probably ready to fire. So I'm going to go ahead and make this gun safe. It is evidence, so I'm going to put on my gloves. First thing to do is to remove the magazine. So how do we do that? Well, on this gun, there's a little button here and another button on the other side as well that you can depress to release the magazine. The magazine is what is inside the handle here that holds the cartridges. The reason there's a button on both sides is you could be right-handed or left-handed and use your thumb to release the magazine. So I'm going to go ahead and I can touch the gnarled areas or this textured area here. I'm going to go ahead and lift this up slightly, press down on that button like that, and then you just pull it out. Now keep in mind that you can have all kinds of evidence here, potentially fingerprints and DNA on the cartridges that were loaded by whoever loaded the gun, or at least the magazine. All right, so now I have removed the magazine. Is my gun safe? Not yet. Now I need to find out if there is a cartridge in the chamber here, and if so, remove it. So the way to do that is to pick up the gun, and then you grab the gnarled area here, and you pull back, and you will then be able to see if there's actually a cartridge in there. And we see it. So I'm going to pull the rest away, and it's just going to drop down through the opening of the magazine, or I can hold it sideways or upside down, and it'll just fall out. So there we go. So now I have ejected the cartridge that was in there ready to fire. So is my gun safe now? It is, but we want to do one more step that's going to further confirm for people who look at the gun that it is safe. And one way to do that is to pull back the slide and lock it in the rearward position. Now on this gun, to do it, there's a little lever right here that I have to press to catch it. But I pull the slide back and I lock it up. So now the gun is open. We can see that there is no cartridge in there in the chamber. We see that there is no magazine. And so this gun is totally safe.